Good afternoon. Sorry I'm unable to attend today. I've just finished studying abroad for the semester at the University of Illinois and I'm currently still overseas, but I just wanted to present my grad proposal to you all. So my proposal for environmental facades in high-rise areas began with my interest in sustainability in urban settings. I wanted to look into both material systems and urban systems and somehow incorporate both to show that there is a real need for this type of architecture in major cities. Even though sustainability is becoming more important than ever, it is still uncommon that you see more than a few buildings in each city with this type of environmental or sustainable facades. I think this is a key issue as some of these facades implemented on a greater scale can have a significant effect on the environment and on their surroundings. Looking at this gap, I proceeded to then research into high-rise areas that did have these facades and what effect they were having on their surrounding environments already, and eventually developed my final proposal statement, which is to explore sustainability through the use of material systems and implement that into high-rise buildings. In setting out this key idea, I wanted to explore different material facades which can be used to create a sustainable environment. For example, Alcoa developed a smog-eating facade which first appears in the Torre de Especialidades Hospital in Mexico City. Also looking at shading facades such as the Albar Towers in Dubai by Adidas Architects, and Sean Goodsall's architects developed a facade which controls air and humidity flow within the building. It actually happens to be the RMIT's design school which it sits on. There are also algae facades which produce energy, and constantly looking into new technologies and how they can coexist in a dense area of high-rises, or even the same high-rise structure could create a greater chance of having a sustainable city. It creates an urban system using a collection of material systems. Also, how different materials affect different buildings and their surroundings. Even though these facades already exist on one building, they do not coexist next to one another in high-rise areas. Exploring how these facades can coexist on a large scale within a small area is really the key topic. Looking through these facades and material systems and how one affects not only the other, but the environment around it. The facades mentioned have been having a significant effect, reducing heating and cooling loads and energy usage in the buildings. And as more technologies develop, there is greater chance for there to be a more sustainable urban setting and a sustainable city. I plan to achieve this proposal through the physical testing of a number of different materials and how they react not only to one another, but to their environment and their surroundings using external factors. But I also want to have digital simulation and testing as a way to back up this physical testing. All of this will then hopefully lead me to a conclusion of there is greater potential for sustainability in high-rise and urban environments when a number of these different environmental facades are implemented into a group of buildings or implemented onto one structure. My poster also represents this idea of facades, looking into different facade designs and also to achieve this research goal. On the bottom right is the smog-eating facade, and on the top left there is a number of different facades looking into different shapes, patterns and materials. And yeah, thank you.